hi, we got this telescope and our son has been very interested in outer space and we just wanted something that we can have for him so he could look and actually see the stars and the moon through it. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So first step is getting the actual big part of it. Yep. And you're going to just put it right on here. And then you are just going to twist right down here until it is nice and tight. So it is nice and tight now. So then you can turn the knob right over here and then you can get it to where you want, where you think it will be nice and straight for you to be able to look through. So now that that's tight, another thing is you can adjust this tripod on this side and this will go down and up too, so you can adjust that and then tighten it.
And the tiny one too.
Yep, so there's a scope too. But then also on the tripod, you can make it taller and shorter, so I'm going to actually shorten it up. All of these are adjusters.
I think you can make this longer
so
too.
I'm going to just adjust this since he is a bit shorter. So all of these 3 adjusters will lengthen and shorten it. So it's nice that it can be used for many different heights. So now I have that on there. Next is the scope. So the scope's going to go right up top. So you can use this to look through it, and then you can find what you are looking for up in the sky, align it where you want it to be, and then you can actually use a telescope to look through it. Alright, so next it's going to be this next part, which is going to connect the lens to the telescope main piece. So you're just going to put it in there and then tighten it up. And then next is the lens. So it comes with 2 powers. It comes with a 25mm and also a 10mm. So you can choose which one you want to put on. And then you'll just put this on. And you can tighten that up too, so everything is nice and tight. There are 2 dials right here, and when you twist those, it will bring this farther out and then back in. So that's a nice little adjuster as well. It does also come with a cover, so you are taking care of your telescope. And then
those sticky things.
Nope, and then this came for, it's actually an extra piece and it goes with your phone to be able to use that. So it's kind of a cool extra feature. The last thing that it did come with, do you want to hold up the moon? It came with 2 diagrams of it and the planets, just as a star map with the planets, just as a little extra bonus. So do you want to go look through the telescope or the scope, and you gotta take off the front part. Yep. So this will bring endless amounts of fun, and it's cool. You gotta look up at the sky though. So it'll bring endless amounts of fun for you and your child to be able to look through it, and this is fun for adults as well, to be able to look through it and look for the stars and the moon at night, and just be able to explore outer space a little bit more. So if you're looking for a telescope, I would recommend this one off of Amazon.